What's quarter one? My name is Kyle here, is aka Racer Knight 99, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Tuesday, and it's time for the Tuesday reaction. So, guys, 20 days away till Halloween, ladies and gentlemen. So, today we're gonna react to KSI plays White Noise. So, I gotta say, you probably know what White Noise is. It's just like Slender Man, by the way. So, I'm pretty sure that Halloween's only 20 days away. So, yeah. So, we're gonna react to this video, ladies and gentlemen. So, KSI plays White Noise. So, for ado, let's get this started. Let's begin. In 3, 2, 1, play.
Hey guys, we are playing this White Noise game. A game apparently
White Noise.
is really scary, blah blah blah. But this time, ladies and
I
gentlemen,
gotta say, White Noise is just
Tenchi
like Slender
is
Man, by
playing.
the way.
I'm
Just
not
like
playing,
Slender
I'm
Man.
commentating. I'm gonna be the commentator saying what's happening. Instead, I'm gonna be watching, and Tenchi will be playing. Now, you saw what he was like in the corridor. You saw what he was like in every single scary game that we've done. So, this, my friends, is gonna be amazing.
I'm pretty sure it's gonna be amazing. Yes, it
I
is.
don't know if they can see us. They probably can't.
Find all the tape recorders, yeah.
What? Really?
Oh my gosh.
I thought you weren't scared. Wait, I don't even know what to look for. Why are you exiting the game?
Why is he exiting the game?
Are you serious? Did you?
Just freaking exit the game. Alright, flashlights right there.
Really? So you needed to back out the game to know that?
RT is to run, and yeah.
What the volume is fine.
Imagine you exit out the game again the second time. Oh my gosh, that'd be funny as hell.
I thought you were a man.
So I gotta be honest, guys. If you ever played White Noise before, ladies and gentlemen, I never played White Noise. It's just like Slender Man, by the way, but it's a horror game. I'm pretty sure Halloween's 20 days away. So yeah, Halloween is only 20 days away, guys. Oh boy. Who's playing the game? I think his friend playing the game, or is it KSI? I think his friend is playing the game. There's a tape recorder. So he's gonna have to collect 8 tape recorders. So yeah. Never in Slenderman, by the way, you collected the paper one, and now this time in White Noise, you collected the tape recorder. Oh gosh! Go, 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 go! Oh gosh, go! Oh my gosh, yeah, I'm telling you, this is a scary horror game. White Noise is a scary game.
I've got no torch. Yeah, well played.
Put the there we go. I was about to say, put the flashlight on.
Why are you turning around? He's right behind. Are you
Where is he?
retarded?
I think he's
You're
gone.
actually retarded. So I know where he is. Oh, brilliant idea. Sweat is dripping down him. He's running into a tree.
Running into the tree.
Still walking in the fields. He's decided to stop, take a drink of Capri-Sun. Sponsored, ladies and gentlemen, sponsored. And begins to continue his journey into the wilderness. Looks up into the
That's a nice stars up in the sky.
stars. As he does come in, it does not move. The stars ladies and gentlemen, the stars do not
Oh my god. Go, 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 go!
punch yourself in the nose. Move!
Oh, too late now. Too late. Too late.
You punched yourself in the nose. You punched yourself in the nose.
He punched himself in the nose.
Wow.
Don't do that.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a phenomenon. He has punched himself in the nose
Yep.
over a scary game. I think he's probably one of the only men in the world to have done that. Wow.
Alright, headed to the graveyard.
He's there!
Oh my gosh!
He was there! Where is he? You see it? Where is he, fool?
Oh, the tape recorder!
No,
Where is it? Is it right there? Is that the tape recorder right there? Oh no, it's right there. It's right there. Right there. There it is. There's a second tape recorder. I gotta be honest, guys. This game is so scary. I'm not gonna lie.
That sounds like a great idea. Then shut up and let me play!
Man, shut up. You let me play.
Your flashlight.
Oh my gosh.
You You wanna know why? Because you're too busy walking everywhere when you can run. Oh, look, run. Well played, you know how to run. Then how come when I was running before you were saying, what are you doing guys? Yeah,
Look at that teeth right there. Look at that.
So, do you wanna look for those?
Oh, it's one of the, what do you call it? It's like a,
You're really gonna do that?
whatever you call it, the dinosaur bones, right? Or something like that, or monster bones,
If this
something like
game
that.
is just
Yeah.
like Slender, why are you looking for the Slender Man? The game isn't find the Slender Man. I want to know where he is, so then I know to avoid that place.
Yeah, I gotta be honest, this game is just like Slender Man. Let me guys know in the comments below, did you guys used to play White Noise and Slender Man? I never play any horror games, so just let you guys know in the comments below. Yo, that scared the living frick out of me right there. To be honest, that was scary as hell I have ever seen.
Wow, it took you 6 minutes.
Oh my god, that scared the hell out of me.
You are pro. You are pro.
Well, Halloween is 20 days away, ladies and gentlemen. Yep, Halloween is 20 days away.
What's gonna protect you?
Dude, that scared the hell out of me. Did you see that? See the monster that scared the heck out of me?
I played mine. No, you play again.
Oh my gosh.
Properly. You can pass it on when you find 4 tape recorders.
Oh, he's in the same map.
Yeah. When I find 4. Yes. Then you can pass it on. Oh, what? Now you're looking for the tape recorders? Freaking big face.
Try look to find the tape recorders. Yeah, trying to find 8. Trying to find 8 tape recorders. That way you can finish the game.
Yeah, it's gonna be one of them, right?
In White Noise.
Oh yeah, there was gonna be one on the road. Avoids the road. No, it's good. How can I go to look? Can I see anything? You special people.
It's kind of dark outside. There's one right there.
You're gonna rush me. Okay. No pressure.
Don't click the game. Okay, I was about to say, don't click the game. Oh god! Oh god, there he is! No, don't go there! Don't go there! Don't go there! Don't go there! Go, just keep going. Just keep going.
Nice. Well, you now know what it looks like.
Bro, what are you doing?
You're seriously
Just go! Just keep going. Dude, this is so scary!
Oh my god, no!
It's so scary!
Okay, good. Now you're moving away from him, see?
Just trying to move away from him, yeah. There you go. There you go.
Yeah, I do. I give you guidance. Just get lost. I give you guidance. You give me guidance. Run. Yeah. Which is what you do when something bad is about to happen.
I agree with him, yeah. Something bad to happen, yeah. Oh my gosh, this monster again. Just keep going. Just keep going. Run and run. Get away from the monster.
You can't be done. You're stuck in here. You gotta look for the freaking tape recorders.
He's still trying to find the tape recorder, yeah.
Oh my god.
He just freaking quit the game.
What you do? Okay. I'll play. You know what? I'm freaking tired of you. Move, Jack. You're the worst player of this game. Jesus Christ.
He just freaking quit the game because he doesn't want to play the game. I'm pretty sure it is a scary game, by the way. Just to let you guys know. This is just like Slender Man and all that. So this is called White Noise. I'm pretty sure that we're in the Halloween month, ladies and gentlemen. We're in October, so yeah. There's one tape recorder right there.
What was that? I'm a pro? Okay. Yeah, I got 2.
I'm pretty sure he's got this time, right? You got this. Oh god! Go!
You're a big shot because the controller started vibrating. Play. Oh, because it started vibrating. Yeah, okay. I didn't expect that. You're used to that with your bum hole. Now play. That wasn't really funny, was it? Behind you!
I like how his friend is trying to scare him, man, and then he gets so mad. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this game is so scary. I'm not gonna lie.
Come on, where's the other one? Find them. I'm looking.
He's trying to find the tape recorder.
I'm looking. You're not meant to look. What do you mean I'm not meant to look? Then how else am I meant to find the freaking tape recorders? Oh, blind. Well. Oh, but I'm doing this. fucking retard. Man, Ray Charles. Oh my god. Ah!
Oh gosh.
Come on, leave me alone. Jeez, I'm getting chills. What the hell?
Even I'm not that scared.
Oh man.
You're a pussy now.
Oh yeah, because
JJ's a
because
pussy.
you went so
JJ's a
slowly.
pussy.
You didn't even look.
JJ's a pussy. Pussy. You drink pussy for dinner.
Oh, well, I do actually.
It's one of those rocks.
What, inside the rocks?
Did I say inside the
Yeah.
rocks?
God, Jesus Christ. What's the point? What is the point of me?
Oh, there it is, right there. There's the second tape recorder right there. That wasn't so bad, wasn't it? Oh my God, they keep getting to him. Just keep running. Just keep running away from them.
Asshole, man.
Alright, so he found the second tape recorder, so he's got to keep finding it.
Just trying to get my tape recorders, can't you see? The tape recorder, man.
His friend just found, what, 2 tape recorders? Now this time he got 2. There's another one right there. Wait, is that it? Wait. Yep, I was right. I was right. There it is. There's another one. There's a third one. There's a third tape recorder. Alright, that's number 3. So 6 or 5 more to go, I believe. Time to find tape recorders. Oh my gosh, dude.
I got 2. Well, I got 3.
Yeah, so his friend got 2 tape recorders, and now this time he got 3. That's 3 tape recorders.
Oh, look at this incest. I'm hilarious.
Because that's not messed
I'm
up.
hilarious. Incest. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha.
Yeah, it is.
Ha ha ha. I'm making an incest joke. Lol. 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 Lol.
God. This is funny as hell, by the way.
Well, this is fun. Walking in the forest with a broken flashlight.
With the broken flashlight.
Press X.
I'll be having
Trying to
so much
find
more
another
fun,
tape recorder.
to be honest.
So press X, it gives you lightning speed.
That was funny.
What's going on with the
That was
flashlight?
hilarious.
Uh-oh.
That was hilarious.
Oh, there's another one. That's the 4th one. See, look, he's doing so bad. Not doing so bad. He's doing a good job. That's 4th tape recorder. He's not doing. He's not doing so bad. He's doing a great job. He just found 4th tape recorder. Try checking here. Where's another one?
Bad idea to go in here.
So he's trying to find the
Really bad
5th
idea to
one.
go in here. Shit. Oh, shut up. Okay. I'm screwed now. I can't see.
Oh, it's going to be one here.
It's gotta be in there. It's up to the other one. Where's the other one?
Before you get it.
Please don't say
Where is it?
Okay, well.
Nope, not in there. Okay.
You didn't even check.
Well, that was my check.
So he's got 4th tape recorders trying to find the 5th one.
Oh, dead end. Okay. Well, let's hope.
Gotta turn up a little bit here.
Ah, shit!
Oh God!
Motherfucking
Go,
nigga!
go, 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 go!
Okay, I'll go the opposite way then.
What did you say the end was?
I don't know why I did. Oh, you know what? I can check this again. Nice.
I don't think it's not in there. You check in there before.
Shit!
That scared the hell out of me again. That's the 2nd time.
I have 1 week to live. The only cure for you is to have a 5-cell. I must have a 5-cell. My life.
And that is it, ladies and gentlemen. So I gotta say, by the way, that was very good, ladies and gentlemen. So that was KSI Plays White Noise, and I gotta say that was funny as hell, by the way. That's also scary too, by the way. Oh my gosh, 2 times that scared the heck out of me. So anyway, so that was very good, by the way, ladies and gentlemen. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, by the way. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, click the bell notification turn on. If you guys are new on here, ladies and gentlemen, we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers very soon. Also, we're on the road to 4,000 super soon, ladies and gentlemen. So I love you all with the bottom of my heart. 20 days away till Halloween, and I'll see you guys next time. Keep it Red Jet. Have a great, awesome day. See you guys soon. Keep it Red Jet. Have a great, awesome day.